Are you confused by logistics jargon? Let's clear it up. Today, we're diving into essential logistics terms you need to know. First up, inbound logistics, handling goods entering your company. Think purchasing and warehousing. Next, outbound logistics, managing goods heading out to customers. It's all about order fulfillment and distribution. Don't forget reverse logistics, goods coming back for returns or repairs. Then there's supply chain management, overseeing everything from production to customer service. Moving on to transportation terms, truckload, TL, is a full truck shipment, while less than truckload, LTL, means sharing space with others. Intermodal transportation uses multiple transport modes, and drayage handles short hauls from ports. In warehousing, a warehouse management system, WMS, optimizes operations, and just-in-time, JIT, keeps inventory lean. Radio frequency identification, RFID, a technology that uses radio waves to identify and track objects, often used in logistics for inventory management and asset tracking. And stock keeping unit, SKU, a unique identifier for a specific product or item within a company's inventory. Lastly, third-party, 3PL, and fourth-party logistics, 4PL, manage your supply chain, lead time. The time it takes for a product or service to be delivered from the time an order is placed, and on-time delivery keep you on schedule. Stay sharp and keep moving those goods. Follow Logistics Academy for more tips.